This is how to link a bank account to Klarna. So first download the app if you haven't already, then open the app and your home screen should look something like this. So in order to link a bank account, simply tap on the add option on the middle of your screen, and here Klarna will give you two options: to link your bank account through the other card or to link it through the phone number. And you can choose any one of the options, or you can tap on the add button on the top right, and here it will also take you to the same option screen. So here tap on your preferred option and fill in the informations that the Klarna app asks you. And this is it. It is that easy to link your bank account to Klarna. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.